Now we start our topic. Our topic is a solution. Now first, we know about the solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of a two or more pure substances whose composition may be altered within the certain limits. हम इसके limits को different time में change भी कर सकते हैं. For examples, अगर हम एक solutions लेते हैं, एक beaker लेते हैं और किसी liquid में just like a water, हम इसमें sugar solution या salt solution add करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर जो वाटर है वो सॉल्वेंट का काम कर रहा है और जो शुगर है वो यहाँ पर सॉल्यूट का काम कर रही है. और जब ये दोनों आपस में मिलते हैं, सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट, इट मेक सॉल्यूशन. We explain the concentration of solution. The concentration of solution is expressed in the form of molality and molarity. First we take the molarity, that is molarity is equal to the number of moles present in a 1 liter of liquid या 1 liter of a solution. ठीक है. We know that the number of moles equal to the W upon M. So we can write W upon M into V. If we take the volume in ml, then we multiply this formula by 1000. Moles present in 1000 gram of the solvent. So the formula is NB upon WA in kilogram. Now NB is equal to WB upon MB. So we can write WB upon MB into WA in kilogram. If we take the weight of solvent in gram, then we multiply this formula by 1000. So this is the formula of molality and this is the formula of molarity to find the concentration of the solution. Calculate the molarity of 30 gram of cobalt nitrate in 4.3 liter of solution. In this question, the given part is mass of solute is equal to 30 gram, molar mass of solute (291 gram per mole) and volume of solution, that is 4.3 liter. Now the formula of molarity is WB into 1000 upon MB into volume ml. On putting all these values in this formula, we find 30 into 1000, 291 and 4.3, because our volume is in liter, so it is multiplied by 1000. After solving this, we find 0.023 mole per liter. This is the answer. Calculate the molality of potassium iodide of 20% of aqueous solution. The given values are Wb is 20 gram, Wa is 80 gram, molar mass of solute is 160 gram per mole, and the formula of molarity is Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa in gram. On putting these values in this formula, we find 20 into 1000 upon 166 into 80. On solving this, we find the answer 1.5 molarity. Good morning, all of you. So we start our new topic, that is mole fraction. Mole fraction, it may be defined as the ratio of the number of moles of the component to the total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. If in a solution Na is number of moles of solvent and Nb is number of moles of solute, then the mole fraction of solvent is Xa is equal to Na upon Na plus Nb, and mole fraction of solute is Xb is equal to Nb upon Na plus Nb. Now let us take an example related to the mole fraction, that is, calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30 gram by mass in carbon tetrachloride solution. So let the mass of the solution be 100, because the mass is given into the percentage. If the mass is given into the percentage, then we take it in the 100 gram. Let the mass of solution be 100 gram. Mass of benzene is equal to 30 gram. So the mass of carbon tetrachloride is 100 minus 30 is equal to 70 gram. So first of all, we calculate the number of moles of benzene and number of moles of carbon tetrachloride and put these values of mole fractions in number of moles in the mole fraction formula. number of moles of benzene, that is NB, is equal to WB upon MB. WB is 30 and MB is 78. After calculate this, we find 0.385 mole of benzene. Now calculate the number of moles of carbon tetrachloride. Number of moles of carbon tetrachloride, that is Na, is Wa upon Ma. Now Wa is 70 gram and Ma is 154 gram. So we find 0.455 mole of carbon tetrachloride. Now we have the number of moles of benzene and number of moles of carbon tetrachloride. Now we apply the mole fraction formula. Mole fraction of benzene is equal to NB upon Na plus NB. On putting the values of Na and NB, we find mole fraction of benzene, that is 0.458. So the mole fraction of benzene in carbon tetrachloride solution is 0.458. Thank you.